This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carpenter. A unique experience awaits you in this expanded bougainvillea floor plan with extended covered lanai, wider side yard garden areas and a custom privacy wall. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath beauty has southern exposure with golf and preserve views, side gardens that were professionally designed to attract butterflies and birds, and landscape lighting to enjoy at night. This home was designed for entertaining as well as having those private areas to enjoy with the latest bestseller. Updates include updated kitchen and guest bath, tumbled marble flooring in living areas and carpet in bedrooms, spacious master suite with 2 walk-in closets, updated master bath, frameless shower door and his and her vanities, full hurricane protection with electric shutters on lanai, front door and Lexan panels for windows. Brand new roof being installed within 45 days. New hot water heater 2022, pool heater in 2023, kitchen appliances in 2017, AC 2021, pool cage and screens in 2018. Pelican Landing has 34-acre private beach island, 12 tennis courts, canoe and kayak center, fitness center, bocce ball, pickleball and miles of biking and jogging trails. 36 holes of championship golf with memberships separate. For more information, review the details below.